In this video, we will show you how to replace the pen on the ASUS Chromebook CZ11 and CZ11 Flip. Before starting, ensure that you back up your files. Also, have all parts ready. First, check the safety precautions in the ASUS support manual. Next, take proper ESD precautions and power off the laptop. First, push the stylus in, then pull it out. If your device did not come with a stylus, remove the dust plug as shown. Unscrew until loose. Grasp the screw and pull out the dust plug. Insert the stylus until it clicks into place. Welcome to subscribe to ASUS support channel. Like the video or share your comments below. We are happy to provide you with more useful information.